A flow coat is used to apply impregnation, primer and intermediate treatment to wood elements. The flow coat can treat many different types of wood elements. These can include assembled elements such as windows, doors, garden furniture and balcony elements or single parts. It's important to stir the liquid before it is pumped into the flow coat so that you're certain it is homogeneous and flows evenly onto the elements. After stirring, start the system and begin pumping in the liquid. It's also important to measure the viscosity of the liquid so that you're certain that it is applied on the elements correctly. After the liquid has been running in the flow coat for a little while, take about a 1 liter sample and measure the viscosity with a DIN cup. The flow coat system also has a conveyor system. The wooden elements that are to be treated are hung up on hooks at an angle of at least 15 degrees and are then transported through the flow coat cabin. In the cabin, the elements are showered with liquid that comes out of the nozzles at relatively low pressure. The surplus liquid drips off and runs through a filter back to the liquid tank. The elements are then transported out of the flow coat and continue to drip off in a drip tray. The liquid in the drip tray is also returned to the liquid tank, thereby minimizing waste. The elements then hang in the drying channel or buffer zone until they are ready for further treatment. If you wish to switch to another liquid, cleaning the flow coat is quick and does not require much water. There are two important principles of flow coat treatment. The first is that the angle at which you hang the wood elements must be at least 15 degrees. The second is that the liquid is applied at a relatively low pressure. By hanging the wood elements at the correct angle and flow coat them at a low pressure, you ensure that corners, V-joints and end grains achieve optimum coverage and that the pores of the wood are closed completely, and this ensures that the wood has long-term durability.